What to do after you've finished taking an introductory coding course. So, after you've taken a course that's kind of given you the basics on how to code in HTML and CSS, what you should try to do is take on a personal project where you're going to try to code some sort of website. For many designers, this will probably be your portfolio website. And this will give you that hands-on practice that you need in order to take those skills that you learn in the introductory course and then refine them so that you get more practiced at using code and trying to do different stylings and taking a look at, how you can restructure HTML, how you can move things around, how many different ways you can basically change the design of your website, even if you're keeping that structure the same by adjusting the CSS. And this will help you give yourself this practice that you need when learning to code so that you become more and more adept at writing code, at modifying code, and at manipulating the code. And then it's usually a good idea afterwards is to start thinking about what we call responsive design. Once you kind of code a simple web page, after you've learned the basics, then we need to start thinking about how this web page is going to look on different devices. And this is something that is really important these days because the majority of people are looking at your website on their phones as opposed to on a big laptop or desktop screen. So while as designers and programmers we're typically used to working on our desktop, working on our laptop, more and more our users are looking at what we design on a mobile phone. Presented by Designers Learn Code.